cake decoration opener. Here's her body. 2.5 inches. Threes. These are all 3-inch mortars. These are 4-inch mortars. I'm retarded. And 5-inch over here. That's what it looks like. Cakes. Rows and rows and rows of all different size mortars. That's the truck it all had to come in. And then here's our finale. We're gonna hand fire all of this here. And this is gonna be electronic fire over here. It's all getting wired up. And that's the show for Belhaven Country Club here in Alexandria, Virginia. They're jamming right now.